Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will cover mkdir command. What mkdir command will do. Basically mkdir command stands for make directory. Mkdir like this, mkdir test underscore dir1. It will make our directory with test underscore directory1. Now we can, if we want to watch, we can use ls command as earlier we practiced. Okay, now test directory underscore test underscore directory1 is here. Okay, if we want to make another directory in test directory, then we will type mkdir test underscore dir1 slash test. By hitting enter, it will make a directory in test directory. If we want to see, then we will type ls test di underscore dir1 slash tab. It will show by auto completing, it will show test1. By hitting enter, it will shows one directory present in the test directory 1. Okay, if we try to make it again, then it shows an error. What is this error? It says file already exists, means directory already exists. If we want to ignore this error or don't want to see this error, then we will use -p flag. What it does, it remove error. It will not show anything else. If directory not exist, it will create. If it exists, then it will execute this command without any error. Okay, if we want to make multiple directories at a time, then we will make directories with space mkdir. Suppose one directory with a name, another directory with b, another directory with c. By hitting enter, it will make all these directories. By typing ls, we will see a, b, c. 3 directories are now present in this directory. Okay, if we want to make subdirectories in a and b and c, and also make directories in their childs, then we will make one by one like this. Mkdir, suppose in a directory a slash b. If we want to see make another directory in b, means we will type abc. Okay, so then it will be different from main directory b. Okay, if we want to make abc directory in a and then make another directory in abc like xyz, then it will shows an error. Why? This is because it says abc not exist and we are trying to make xyz in abc. So if we want to create this type of structure, like a hierarchy of directories that already not exist, then we will use also -p flag. It will make full structure of these directories. Now we can see ls a, it make directory in abc, and what is present in abc. By hitting enter, it shows xyz directory. So this is very simple command. We can make directories simply we want.